Windows 11 release date. Microsoft just recently announced Windows 11 and confirmed that the new OS will be coming this holiday. While the company hasn't revealed the official release date, its official marketing poster suggests that Windows 11 will roll out in October this year. According to the press images for Windows 11, the date October 20th is in sharp focus, indicating this could be the day when it starts rolling out. One of the posters shows a Microsoft Teams message from Stevie Bathish of the Surface team to Panos Panay, head of Windows and Devices, saying, "Can't wait for October." This message suggests that the latest Windows OS and new Surface devices could arrive in the month of October. The Verge also reported that the Redmond giant has plans to release Windows 11 in October, according to the person familiar with the matter. The press images from Microsoft hint that the launch will take place on October 20th. The time and date on most of the posters are the same, giving a strong hint. Currently, the official site says the upgrade rollout plan is being finalized and is scheduled to begin late in 2021 and continue into 2022. If you are not sure about whether your PC or laptop will support Windows 11, then you can check its compatibility by downloading the PC Health Check app. The latter is available on the company's official website. This app can quickly show you if your current PC meets the requirements to run Windows 11. Once you download this app, complete the installation process and click on the Check Now button to check if your PC is compatible with Windows 11. If so, you can get a free upgrade when it rolls out. The app will also inform you when the Windows 11 update is ready to install.